Happy Saturday. This is Sherry from Style Tips with Sherry. Well, you are watching this and I am in Italy. Now, I'm not filming from Italy. I pre-filmed this for you before I left. But I thought, how much fun would it be to share my travel wardrobe with you so you can see how I took carry-on only and packed it for 9 days. And I really believe that if I could do it, you can do it too. So whether you are traveling for a cruise or a week long somewhere, no matter where you're going, what the weather, I do believe you can do this with carry-on, even in cooler weather locations. And so let's get started, and I'm going to share with you exactly what I did. All right, so let's start with the pieces. So I took the number of pieces. So I took 3 bottoms, and that also includes what I'm wearing. And so on the plane, what I'm wearing on the plane. So 3 bottoms, 7 tops, and 1 dress. In fact, I'm wearing the dress. I just finished filming and I thought, oh, I'm going to just keep this dress on for you guys. Okay, so to do the film. So anyway, but one thing you're going to notice is that I actually have 4 bags. I know that sounds a little crazy, but I'm only wearing the same accessories through the whole thing. In fact, I have them on right now. These accessories, I'm not changing them out. Same earrings. I might take another pair of earrings just in case I don't want to wear my jewelry one day, but very simplified. So the way that I could bring my personality to life through my travel outfits, which are very neutral, is through bags. And so because they're flat and they lay flat. And so that's just how I wanted to do it. And again, I could do it on a carry-on as well. So it worked. So the first outfit that you're seeing right here is what I wore on the plane and what I'm wearing on the plane. Okay, so, because I haven't gone yet, but when you see this, I'll have already been there. They are black leggings. They're Skechers leggings, the high-rise Skechers leggings, really comfortable, very, they're great for if you're sitting for a long period of time. Skechers leggings, an Athleta t-shirt, V-neck, short sleeve t-shirt, and a blazer that's kind of a crepe blazer that's really lightweight and comfortable, yet it's lined, but it'll be something that I can wear through the whole week in case it gets cool in the evening, or with any of my outfits, it's gonna work. So I'll wear this outfit on the way there and on the way home, and anywhere in between. I'm going to reuse these clothes as well, but you won't see the blazer again in the photos. But I'm also wearing my paw green white sneakers that are the most comfortable pair of shoes I've ever had on my feet. And so, yes, they are pricey, well worth for me, as much as I'm on my feet, as much as I travel. And as much use as I've gotten out of them, they're worth every penny. And so I did return a couple of things. When I went to buy those shoes, I actually returned a couple of things thinking, you know what? I'd rather have 1 really awesome pair of shoes than like 4. And that's what I did. Okay, so I'm going to show you the 3 looks that I got out of the leggings. Okay, so the travel leggings, and then there's a second look that I am actually wearing with a white Athleta blouse, and it's a poplin cotton blouse, really comfortable. So I have that on, and I have the Sherpa veil, and you can get that on Amazon. We can link that below. It's an anti-theft bag. Now, it's hanging behind me. You can see that. I did change out the strap. I also got that on Amazon. They have like 130 colors of straps. I didn't like just the plain black strap. Yes, it was the cut free, people can't cut it if you're traveling, like they have like anti-cutting. But this is kind of thick, and I felt like it would be okay as well. But it just brought my personality more to life. And so I like the colors, it matched the bag. I ordered 2, sent 1 back because I didn't know when I got it. But this bag, we have to carry a journal during the day. So I do have a small journal that I can pop into 2 of the other bags that you'll see. But so there were a couple things we needed to have. I have an anti-theft wallet. It has the RFID blocking, super small, it's little, but so I changed out my cards and cash and euros and put it in that, so that'll all fit in any of the bags that I'm about to show you. And then I have on with that my white sneakers, so with that outfit, and I love it. All right, the next outfit that I have with my leggings are, I'm wearing the black, these black sneakers are from Skechers, and they're black, but they have a little bit of animal print on them. And I'm wearing just a plain t-shirt. We have one day where we're just kind of hanging around the villa. And so this t-shirt this outfit I'll probably wear on that day, but it's loved. It's from Gems, the girls club. I bought it, and it says loved, period. But if we happen to hang out and go out somewhere, then I'll wear the black sling bag over top of that. So those are the 3 looks with my black leggings. Okay, so now let's move on to the wide leg Athleta pair of pants, black. So I'm getting 3 looks out of this as well. So number 1 look is with the another Athleta top. It's a black poplin top, same exact top as the white, the one I just showed you, but it's black. And so I have that. I'm also wearing the leopard Skechers with that, and I have the anti-theft bag with it, the one you see behind me. And again, I changed the strap on that. So if you look it up on Amazon, it's gonna have just a black strap. So the next look for those wide leg pants is, what do I have with that? I have the white Athleta top. Okay, so I've already worn it one time, now I'm gonna wear it again. And I'm repeating, even though I have 7 tops on this trip, I'm gonna repeat them a lot because we have daytime activities, nighttime activities. And so I have the white Athleta top on, and I'm carrying the black sling bag. That bag I got for $10, $9.99 or something, in a place called Beals, B-E-A-L-S, maybe someplace it's called Bells, I'm not sure, Southern store. But I saw it and I thought, you know what? It has gold hardware on it, which is really important for me, and I really liked it. So it's really comfortable bag, and I'm wearing the white Paul Green sneakers with that. All right, and then the last look with those wide leg black Athleta pants is an Athleta tank that is it's a tan. It's kind of a beigey tan color, sleeveless. And I have a scarf on because there are going to be days where we're going to be going into some churches and you have to have your shoulders covered. So most days I'll have a scarf tucked away in my bag with me. So if I need to, throw on a scarf, I can do that to cover my shoulders to go in places. But I've got the Skechers sandals. Those sandals that are so comfortable. They have a Velcro strap. And they come in black. They were from summer. They come in black, and they come in that kind of gold color that I have, goldish yellow, soft yellow, gold, but kind of gold. And they kind of feel like rubber, honestly. The shoes do, really, really, but really comfortable. And in this picture, I have a sling bag. It's more stone color, kind of beige, gold hardware from Altered State. And I was looking, I was doing some research, like where could I find, I wanted kind of a beige sling bag. And I looked online, and then I went to their store, which is near me, and they had it. So really like it. It was probably $59, I think. And by the way, that Sherpani Veil bag, I think was closer to $70, $79, something like that, just for your information for pricing. All right. And then I think those are the 3 looks for the wide leg Athleta pant. And I think that's a new style for Athleta too. I've seen them do a lot of ads with that pant, and it's a pull on, but really comfortable. Okay. And then the last 3 looks before I show you my dress looks I'm wearing Athleta pants, the beige Athleta pant, very lightweight. It's kind of a sporty looking pant, but pull-on pant again. But it has, I have the Athleta top on that I had in the last picture, but really comfortable, a monochromatic look, really, if I need to throw on a scarf, I will with that. I'll take it. But I have the Skechers sandals on, and I have the Altered State stone color bag with that. The next look with those Athleta pants is the black tee that I wore on the plane. Now, I may wear the black Athleta shirt on the day that I am there. It just depends if I want to, kind of, I don't know, whatever I'm feeling. So it depends on how it ended up with the plane trip. And I'm carrying the purse that's behind me, that Sherpani Veil bag, and black sneakers from Skechers. And then the last look with that Athleta pant is kind of an artsy top that I got from, I don't know, it was a boutique in Greensboro, North Carolina. I was with my friend Renee, and I put it on, and it was, it's a stunning top. And then I was like, do I really want to get this top? Like, do I want, and I actually left without it, and she called and said, did you order that top? You got to go back and get that top. So I did. Anyway, it's been a year and a half or so, but I do love the top. And I'm carrying the Altered State bag with that, and I'm wearing Skechers sandals with that. All right, and then there are going to be days, I'm not a dress person usually, but there are days that I felt like after being in the clothes all day, like pants and leggings and comfortable, I just might want to dress up a little bit for dinner. And so I'm only taking one dress. It's this one. And so I have 3 different ways that I'm wearing it. The first one is with a scarf. I actually might wear this one day that we're going to go, be in churches and that sort of thing. I might wear it, but I'll take the scarf with it and wear that with that. I have on the Skechers sandals with this outfit. The next look that I'm showing you with this dress is just a small little, this is the 4th bag I have. It's just a small little crossover bag. I don't know if I'll end up wearing it or not, but it is a small little crossover bag that if I just want to throw a little bit of, euros in there, or maybe my phone or something, I can do that. And I have that with, I think I'm showing that with the Skechers sandals. And then the last look is, and we don't have to bring our journal to dinner, we are told. So that's why I thought I could just do something kind of light, lighter bag for that. And hey, that bag will fit inside this bag, or even one of my shoulder sling bags for packing. So it's not like I have to have extra space for that, and it's tiny. And then the last look is I'm just showing you this dress with white sneakers, which is trending, and I think it's cute. And and if it's a night where I feel like it's a little cool and I want to throw on that blazer, I can absolutely do that. Well, you guys, I'm so excited. I'm in Italy. And in a couple weeks when I get back, I'm actually going to show you, I'm going to watch Italian fashion, and we're going to do a video on how Italian women dress. And so I'll be taking some pictures when I'm there, and so it'll be fun. But anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this. And I know that when you're traveling, you can do this too. And so just copy what I did. 3 pair of pants, 7 tops, 1 dress. Easy peasy. 4 bags, for this girl. But 1 bag would do it, or 2 if you want to do it. And I did the same jewelry the whole time. So anyway, until I get back, pray for me. Pray for our group. We are on a women's pilgrimage. And if you want to watch anything if you want to go on Instagram, Life on Pilgrimage is an Instagram channel that we're going to be posting on. We're really supposed to be away from social media this week. And so it's really just like, take your phones, but don't use them. And we can't have our phones out at dinner or any of that stuff. Maybe we can sneak some pictures of the food and then put our phone back. I'm not sure. But anyway, until I get back and until next time, I pray that you have an amazing week. And I wish you were with me. And maybe you will one day. All right, I'll see you. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, I hope you do. And hey, have you gotten the Closet Outfit Planner yet? Make sure you do. Okay, love you. Bye.